You're probably sitting there wondering, what are we doing, Aaron? There's just stuff all over. You've got some dinner in front of you. You've got an iPhone. This is a OnePlus video. Today is April 29th, and I am going to document my journey with reaching out to Verizon Tier 2 support to see if they are able to finally get my unlocked device to work on their network. We're going to go through this process together, and we're going to call them, and we're going to see what they say.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless. Due to the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, our business hours have changed, and we're currently closed. Our revised hours are 8 a.m. to 7 p.m.
We're screwed.
I didn't get that. Welcome to Verizon Wireless.
Verizon.
We prioritize wellness during the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic and have limited staffing. You may experience significant delays before reaching a representative. You can stay on the line to receive a secure link to our digital assistant with live chat for most options.
I want a person.
Please be advised. In a few words, tell me the reason for your call.
Tier 2 tech support.
One moment, please. If you prefer to text with us, there's a live US-based tech coach available right now.
So what they do is they text you a link to an online tech coach in order to get you off the phone and clear up the line, probably because they're short-staffed. Might be useful, but in this situation, we need a live person. It disconnected. We're calling back.
Your call may be monitored or recorded.
Feel like we've been here
continue
already.
holding for voice support.
I can't get through.
Thank you for calling Verizon Wireless. Our number has changed. Please hang up and dial 1-888-866-6924. Thank you.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless Channel Support. If your location code is 5 digits, add 01 to the end. The location code you entered does not match our record.
Support.
Okay, got it.
Fourth time.
Welcome to Verizon Wireless.
Leading telecommunication, wireless, digital, media, cell phone. I mean, what do they not do? And they can't get a phone system to work. 23 minutes, and we've gotten nowhere.
One of our top experts will be right with you. Goodbye.
We got to give up for now. We're going to try again after I go to the office and I come back for the day. Maybe things will die down. But either way, we're going to see what happens.
One moment, please.
What happens? Thanks Nomadic Gear for supporting the channel. I'm kind of known for spending a ridiculous amount of money on luggage and high-end backpacks. Then I came across Nomadic bags and I absolutely fell in love with the Nomadic backpack, and now I'm in love with the Nomadic Carry-On Pro. This is a 2-bag-in-1 type of deal and it will not disappoint you. If you're in the market for some new luggage, a messenger bag, or a backpack that's big enough to take on a trip and still carry on the plane, then look no further. Take a moment and check them out. Link is in the description. Don't forget to click on the red sale link at the top of the page. You'll thank me later. Back to the video. Like day 4 of trying to call Verizon. Fingers crossed we actually get through. Again.
Your call may be monitored or recorded for quality assurance and security.
Let's hope this gets through.
Hi, thank you so much for calling Verizon Wireless. This is Jessie. May I have your first and last name, please?
Hi, Jessie. My name is Aaron, A-R-O-N.
Hi, Aaron, and how can I help you today?
Okay, I'm complicated, and I want you to know that, and I apologize in advance.
That is okay.
Okay, I have a phone, a OnePlus 8 Pro that's giving me trouble activating it on Verizon. There's been some mixed messages on the internet about the phone. I was told that I needed to call in and have a tier 2 tech support rep activate CDMA-less feature under the billing. Called in, spent 5 hours about 4 or 5 days ago. It didn't work. I also read on the internet that the phone didn't officially launch until the 29th. IMEI numbers weren't sent to Verizon, so Verizon wasn't recognizing them. So what I want to do is try it, but the other option in what I read, if I have an older OnePlus device that I put my SIM card in first and activate the CDMA list on it, and then I swap that over to my new OnePlus device, it should work no problem. I mean, I spent a lot of time on this already. I told you, Jesse, I'm complicated and I apologize, but I would really like to find a way to get my phone to work on the Verizon network.
Sure, no worries. We'll find a way to fix it for you. Let me see if we already have some basic troubleshooting guide here. That way we could be able to further assist you on activating this phone.
Okay.
I'll just check.
Thank you. Pro tip. I called in and I didn't do tech support and I went straight to activating, which I've tried several times, but today it worked. SIM is inside the OnePlus 8 Pro.
Let me check here. It's now activated. So let's try this. I'll send you a text message to see if you're able to receive.
I don't think it's working. Oh, so hold on. If it's activated, let me try the trick that they had shared with me on the internet. I'm going to put my SIM card in my old OnePlus device.
We'll see if this will work, okay? Please bear with me.
Okay. I've got... My text messages are coming in. They came in.
Right.
What did you do? I need to know exactly what you did. What did you do to fix this?
All right, because you've mentioned about the CDMA. Less. But when I double check, it's not actually added. I apologize for that. So what I did is that I've tried to add it again to see if it's working or not. So it's actually with the CDMA less.
If someone previously had this issue or problem and they call in today and they request to activate CDMA lists and double check it, it should work according to what we just discovered. So that's great news for all OnePlus users across the world. So I thank you. You've been a delight, and hopefully this was not too complicated.
You're welcome, and thank you as well, because to be honest, this is also the first time that I've handled this kind of activation to the OnePlus. I never activated the OnePlus.
Well, they should have you activate all of them, because I spent 5 hours on the phone the other day, so we're good.
Yes, I'm happy as well that you are able to use your phone now, your new phone.
Yeah.
All right, and are you satisfied with the service that I provided you today, Aaron?
I'm terribly satisfied. Send me your survey. Send me 2 surveys. Don't be scared. I'll say plenty of good things about you.
Yes, thank you. I appreciate it. You have a wonderful day. Stay safe and healthy, okay?
You too. Bye-bye. There we have it. The OnePlus 8 Pro can now be activated on the Verizon network, but it takes time. It takes effort. It is not for the faint of heart. It is not as easy as just plugging in your SIM card. You gotta call. You gotta call people. You gotta call several times. And with COVID-19, you might have to call more than once. So hopefully you find this video useful, going on a journey with me as I accomplish the goal, which is getting my OnePlus 8 Pro as my main device, which I'm super happy about because now I feel like I can do a proper review, a proper comparison. Next up, OnePlus 8 Pro versus Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra camera comparison. That's right, you love my camera comparisons. I love my camera comparisons. We're about to do another one. For the love of tech, like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being part of the community. Till next time, namaste.